Welcome students. In this session we are going to start frame set in HTML. This is the last topic in this. So now what is frame set and what is frame? Here we can see this is the entire page, this is the body page. It is divided into the different categories, like this is column and this is column. So mainly it is divided into two columns, first column and the second column. In first column two rows are there, number 1 and number 2, and in the second row four columns are there, column 1, column 2, column 3 and column 4. So this is called the use of frame set. And how we can differentiate? So only you need to remember that if you want to divide by column, then write down the column, and if you want to divide by rows, then you can write down the rows. Okay, so let's start to create this kind of page. So already I have done, but I will take new. Okay, I'll take some, copy it and paste it, and I will delete it, unnecessary part. Okay, now press Ctrl S and new frame.html. okay, now frame set, we have to use frame set tag. Okay, no need to write capital, it is small, it's okay. Frame set and slash frame set. Remember students, it should be before the body tag. Okay, so it is frame set. Now think about how many columns we want first. So here two columns are there, so we'll type here cols is equals to, now entire window is going to divided by percentage wise, or we can say width wise. So if you type here entire window is based on the 100%, and we want to give equal ratio to both columns, so we'll write here first column 50% and second column 50%. so it will divided by both 50%. Okay, now in first column what to write? For example, we want to display any file, right? So to display any file, there will be a frame will be there, frame source. We have to write the frame source equals to particular file name. So here we have already created one file, top.html, right? And then we'll, this is the closing tag. Now press Ctrl S and F5. Here you can see two frames, frame set is created. In that two columns are there, column 1 and column 2. If you change, see, if you change it here like 70% and 30%, you can see 70-30 ratio. Suppose you are going to give 55% and remaining portion you don't know, so you can put star here also and press F5. Remaining portion it will take automatically. Okay, so here we are going to take 50% equally. Okay, press Ctrl S F5. Okay, now in first frame we are going to add two different files, right? So in that, in the first we will add two frames. Okay, and press F5 here, so it will be created first frame source here. Okay, now after that, if we don't want to put anything, right, so here we want two columns. So in the first frame again we will add a frame set. In that we want row, right? Rows is equals to 50% and 50%, right? Press Ctrl S and F5 here. See, it is also converted into the two rows, right? Now in this we want 1, 2, 3 and 4 equal rows, right? So after this, this is the part of column, right? This column. Now for the second column, so for the second column we will type the same frame set. In this rows is equals to, we want to differentiate in four rows. So first row will be 30%. Okay, then second again 30%, then 30 percentage and remaining portion we don't know, that will be automatically tick. Okay, so how many columns or rows are there? 1 2 3 4. So here copy and paste here, and here also again right. Now press Ctrl S and F5 here. Okay, we first frame is there, rows equals to 30 percentage and column here we'll close this slash frame set, again here slash frame set. Yes, it is, you can see it is created, right? Now if we have any file and you want to put inside that, so you can put that. Okay, just you need to double quotes. Okay, file name is top.html, it is right. So we'll write here src top.html. Getting? Same we can type here. Yes, if you have another files, then you can change it by this also. Like we want to put same thing here, same files we want to put, then press Ctrl V again Ctrl V and F5. See, getting? So this is called the frame set. Okay, but remember sometimes frame is not appear, so what to do? No frame, no frames. Okay, if frame is not appear, right, so at that time we have to write no frames. In that we will keep, because sometimes some browser does not support this, so in this case message will appear this browser does not support frame set, right? But our browser is supporting, so it will not display message. But when sometimes browser does not support frame set option, then this option will be, message will be appear. Now if you want to convert it into the columns instead of rows, you want to convert into the column, you can convert into the column also. So keep learning this frame set. If you divide it, you can convert it. Okay, so these two for the rows and this is for the next second column, right? So I hope you understand, students. Now after this we are going to solve this chapter MCQs. Which of the following is specified by UL in HTML? So UL stands for unordered list. which of the following is specified by OL in HTML? So it stands for ordered list. Which of the following tag pair identifies items of list? So li and /li. Which of the following tag of pairs are used to print list without bullets? So it is called dt and /dt. Which of the following tag pairs are used to define a row of a table? So tr and /tr. Which of the following attributes is used when a cell spans across more than one row? So row span. Which of the following is used to divide browser window into multiple parts? Frame set. Which of the following is used to display an alternative content in case browser does not support frames? So no frames. Which of the following can be changed in order list in HTML5? So order of the items, start number and number styles, all of this we can change. Which of the following is an option entity in HTML table? So caption of the table, heading of the table and grouping of columns. So it is called all of this. So I hope you students you have understood this. I hope you understood this chapter very well. Okay, and do practicing all this in this video description. I have given all the videos link of this chapter number 4. So if you haven't seen and if you want to learn anything of this chapter, you can keep learning. Okay, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video, because after this I will going to upload next chapter. Okay, till then, thank you, bye and take care.